When iron concentration is low in the cell, IRP binds to IRE and stabilizes the messenger RNA for transferrin receptor and allowing its synthesis. But when iron level is high, the IRP dissociate. Lack of IRP bound to the messenger RNA hastens its destruction, resulting in decreased synthesis of receptors. Other examples are messenger RNA for ferritin, which is an intracellular protein for iron storage, and alpha ALA synthase, that is alpha amino levulinic acid synthase, regulates the heme synthesis. RNA interference. RNA interference is a mechanism of gene silencing through decreased expression of messenger RNA by repression of translation or by increased degradation. It plays a key role in cell proliferation, differentiation, and apoptosis. And it is mediated by short 22 nucleotide non-coding RNA called that microRNA. It is a single strand microRNA associates with cytosolic protein complex and RNA induced silencing complex and hybridize with 3' UTR of the target messenger RNA and result in repression of translation of messenger RNA or its degradation by endonuclease. And this is triggered by introduction of exogenous double-stranded short interfering RNA into a cell, and this is of enormous therapeutic importance. If microRNA messenger RNA base pairing is mismatches, then messenger RNA translation is inhibited. If it is perfect, then messenger RNA is degraded. MicroRNA action can result in dramatic changes in protein production and hence gene expression, and it is implicated in heart disease, cancer, muscle wasting, viral infection, and diabetes. RNA interference based therapeutics first clinical trial was of RNA interference based therapy was in age related macular degeneration, which is due to the overproduction of vascular endothelial growth factor. Small interference RNA was designed to target the messenger RNA of VEGF and to promote its degradation, and it is again used in the cancer therapy. Messenger RNA translation. At this level, phosphorylation of eukaryotic translation initiation factor, that is ELF2, inhibits the translation at the initiation step. And its phosphorylation is catalyzed by kinases and which are activated in the response of amino acid starvation, heme deficiency in erythroblast, and presence of double-stranded RNA, accumulation of misfolded protein by the ubiquitination. Now, the epigenetic regulation of gene expression. It changes the characteristics of a cell or an organism that are not due to changes in the nucleotide sequence of the DNA. And this epigenetics regulates gene expression by modulating chromatin structure via histone modification, as we know, by methylation or acetylation of histone. The epigenetic therapy of cancers is done by enzyme inhibitors such as inhibitors of DNA methyltransferase or histone deacetylase. Here, promoter site, operator site. Promoter is ready to start the transcription, but here repressor is attached, is having a cup of coffee with operator, so no transcription can be started, and in that way it regulates the gene expression. And the regulation of transcription is done with the help of RNA, activator, promoter, and other factors. It cannot be done alone. So But in the time of corona, be alone, be safe, and thank you.